Hi Scorpions, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of August 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use this particular oracle deck right here. We do have Celtic Lenormand for a quick message from the universe. Besides, I'm also going to use the Love Oracle deck as well. Scorpions, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of July, stepping into August 2021 for Scorpions, we have the Nine of Swords. It wasn't exactly smooth sailing for you in these final days, but then certainly there was some respite. Perhaps responsibilities had increased by leaps and bounds, and this is why you were under stress. I think colleagues may have been absent. That is why the onus was entirely on you. Oftentimes, you were somebody who was getting exasperated. Perhaps your health was also affected on account of these responsibilities or on account of the stress that was weighing down on your shoulders. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Four of Swords. Certainly, Scorpions, I think you need to take a back seat like this person here. He seems to be in a contemplative mood. Perhaps you need to meditate as well. You need to gather your thoughts and rework or find another solution to the problems that you're going to face this month. Maybe you could also benefit if you would weigh your words carefully. There could be some people who could be accusing you of being impolite, so you need to tone it down a bit. Oftentimes in August, you may be emotional and aloof. Maybe you're not interested in talking. Maybe you want to detach yourself from whatever is going around you. Interestingly, this month you could also find people trying to offer the olive branch. Maybe they want to repair the damage that has been done, or they want to mend the relationship. At work also, I think you will benefit if you have a more collaborative approach. Influences for this month, we have the Three of Swords. Again, your health could be a factor here. Perhaps you have to work through those disappointments that are there. Some of you could also be dealing with heartache or some kind of separation in a relationship. Again, work pressure could also mount on you. Maybe you'll be a bit irked because of the long hours. I think Scorpions, you could also benefit if you were more transparent in your financial dealings. Some people could accuse you of being insincere or dishonest. All in all, this will certainly affect your relationship. That is why it is necessary to be mindful of your words. The first 10 days of August, we have the Seven of Wands. Certainly, Scorpions, you will benefit if you seek the advice or the intervention of your angels and guides. Maybe you should take a back seat rather than jump to conclusions, though at times you feel that your apprehensions are coming true. Even on the work front, you have to deal with those disruptions. Money dealings which are owed to you could also be cleared. Maybe even while dealing with clients, I think you should be firm. Perhaps there are those clients who want to extract more than their pound of flesh. This is why I think you're going to give him a piece of your mind. Oftentimes in these days, you could also have to get up early because you have to finish the task. Maybe you will sleep late as well. This could also affect your health indirectly. As a leader of the pack, you could also be concerned because staff is unavailable, or maybe there's uncertainty whether the staff will be around or whether the worker will attend work or not. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th August, we have the King of Swords. Certainly in this time, you could be bothered because of the excess paperwork, official work, or even technical work could take up your time. I think money could also be a factor here. It could affect your relationship. Sometimes, you feel quite challenged because others around you are not helping your cause. Maybe you think that it's always you who has to step up and take charge. You do want the assistance from family members or loved ones. I think there will be those times when you will want to take your time and carry on with the task at your own pace. So this could unnerve your family elders, possibly your father. Even on the work front, the boss could be a bit hassled because he thinks you need to take the initiative. He thinks that you should show more urgency. Your words could also be misinterpreted. Maybe some people could accuse you of meddlesome behavior. Some of you could also be deliberating about signing up for an educational course, or you want to enhance your skill set, but then you should think carefully before you do so. Interestingly, in case you're dealing with legal matters, you can expect positive results in this period. Largely, I think Scorpions, you will benefit if you collaborate with others. Maybe you should deliberate with your senior colleagues as well. Towards the final days of August, we have the Ten of Wands. Again, there are burdens that you have to face this month. You do want to drop these burdens. You do want to lighten the weight on your shoulders. Incidentally, you could find yourself getting the support of members of the opposite sex. Some of you could also be facing a cash crunch this month. You think everything is cyclic or that your plans are not coming to anything. Maybe your family members could also question your plans and ideas. Maybe they think that you need to weigh the pros and cons before you carry on. I think many of you could also be commuting or traveling, which would also turn out to be unnecessary. Nevertheless, things will look up because we do have the Two of Cups. Possibly somebody could assist you at this time or in your hour of need. Is also in store for you in this time, though you have to deal with devious people this month. With respect to your love life, I have this card, Cycles. You may feel as though your relationship is heading nowhere or that your mood swings are also affecting your relationship. We do have the Three of Swords in your reading, which talks about some kind of heartache or separation in a relationship. That is why maybe you think that everything is going around in cycles or you're not moving forward in a connection. That is why you want to detach yourself from this person. Interestingly, single Scorpions, I think you'll be flattered because attention from the opposite sex is definitely coming your way this August. However, you should be careful because there could also be unwanted attention. Maybe some of your admirers are communicating with you. They may be from another place or another land as well, but you're going to ignore these Romeos. It's also possible this month that a friend may confess his feelings for you, but you may feel that this person is already in a relationship, so this person is two-timing his current partner. Largely, I think Scorpions, you are not interested in forming a connection with this person. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you may feel as though your love is not going to be reciprocated. So certainly you're feeling the loss. Ideally, I think you should not run after your love interest. Maybe you'll continue to cyberstalk this person. This is why this card, Cycle, seems to convey the same thing. Sometimes, you may also feel as though you're the one who's making the effort to make this relationship work. This is why your confidant could ask you to be more practical with respect to matters of the heart. Romancing Scorpions, I think you'll be discussing work with your person. Maybe you're going to be quite flirtatious this month. Interestingly, your lover is also somebody who could be quite insecure and shaky, maybe because you're getting a lot of attention from the opposite sex. Nevertheless, your person is also somebody who's going to reveal his innermost secrets, or he will talk about his past life. Certainly, you will enjoy the closeness that is there, but then at times you could also retreat into a shell. Some Scorpions could also have to deal with opposition to your love life. Maybe your family members want you to put an end to this romance, but then you're somebody who's going to follow your heart. You could also be concerned because somebody could talk about your secret romance and let your family elders get wind of your plans with respect to this connection. That is why you could also have revenge on your mind. Maybe this is why you're being burdened or you're being stressed out because of this scenario that you find yourself in. Nevertheless, I think your lover or your beloved is somebody who's going to overwhelm you with some words or with the way he expresses himself or the way he expresses his feelings. I think he would also want you to read the same books that he reads. Married Scorpions, you could be concerned about the health of your spouse. Ideally, I think you should be patient with your partner. Maybe your spouse could complain about the food or over inane matters. I think money could also be an issue here. Maybe money is being spent on medical issues. Interestingly, we do have this card, coffin or burial mound from Lenormand. Certainly, there could be some kind of stagnation that you're dealing with, or some kind of ill health, or possibly your separation from someone is bringing about a change and transformation. So that is why you could be in mourning here. Sickness can also sometimes be a spiritual flag. Maybe it's allowing you to think carefully about how you should proceed in life. Perhaps it's also time to let go of something which isn't working in your life. The last card in this reading is changing your mind. Scorpions, you could also be in two minds about certain issues that you're dealing with, whether it's on the professional front or whether it's on the personal front. It's not always wrong to change your mind in case you think or in case you feel you're being guided to do just that. Sometimes you may be feeling what other people are thinking about your decisions, but then you should go with what your heart desires rather than be affected by what other people say. Because I did say in this reading that your family members may not be too happy with your growing fondness for this person, but you're not going to change your mind with respect to this connection. Nevertheless, I think you're also going to be learning from these experiences or with respect to the decisions that you make in this month. I hope, Scorpions, you liked your reading. This is Ciao with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.